Hello. Welcome back. It is Sunday. Another TinBears stream. Let's not make it look like it is completely pitch black in my office, which I guess actually it was, but you know, it's fine. I swear I have the lights on sometimes. Anyway, welcome back. I hope you guys have a wonderful Sunday. Happy Sunday. Bro got redacted. He did, Bunny. I think so the reason he did actually is because of he kind of played it smart, believe it or not. Played it smart because he here we go. He got his initial buff and then waited. He got liminal and then he waited to upgrade it because buff raffles actually they actually upgrade your buff instead of just giving you a buff, because I want to make sure that if someone already got a if they already had a buff, for example, it would upgrade it. So you're always guaranteed the same or a better buff, basically. The only time you would actually get the same buff is if you coincidentally have redacted, but yeah, because redacted is as high as it goes. So but anyway, but yeah, welcome back. Coffee makes me worse. Can you believe it? Yes. For people who suffer from like fatigue-related conditions and stuff, I have heard that the coffee and stuff can make it worse. All right, we're gonna go bowling today with Panda. What you guys think? Interested in that? I went to game and not game dev. Oh, whoops. There we go. All right, chat. Do you think we're gonna be able to do this? Oh yeah. You know what? Actually, before we do that, hold on. Let's actually do a little sum here. Maybe instead of that, let's see if hold on, chat. This is gonna be a little bit of you just staring into the void, but bear with me, okay? See. Yeah, that's that, and then yeah. Oh, hold on. Oh, that's what it is. Okay. Actually, you know, let me see if I can show this. Come on, chat. I'm gonna try and add another window capture for you here. You can at least get a little bit of what I'm doing. I can't tell if that's good or bad to do it this way. Hold on. Yeah, you can kind of see. There you go. And then we can just make this bigger. Hold on. Yeah, okay. There we go. Okay, anyway, so let's see. Yes. Get current scene. And then, yeah, that's good. We're gonna see if this works. Let's see. So we need to go to, yeah, system. So let's see, set up OBS, connect OBS. Set text gets text. Let's see. So we want to say get current scene. And send request that, and then we want to say get current scene. Get. All right. Hold on. I need to look at the WebSocket for OBS real quick. WebSocket. Let's see. That's get hold. All right. There we go. Request. Response. Surely we can do like get current program scene. Where was it? Get current program scene. Okay. Stir. And then turn, get text. So wait, that returns a bool though. Wait, why does this return a bool? Request data get input. Where is this being used? No references found? Okay. Well, this is gonna return. Let's do, ooh. Let's do, tuple of bool, and then simple OBS response should be a thing, right? Response. Request. Where is it? I'm gonna say that because I imagine that's probably something that's built in, right? No? Oh, it can't be resolved. Fine, actually. Like select. There's a way to get the virtual environment. What is it? The G? No. That's not it either. V? What is that? I feel like, why do I feel like it's G? I feel like it's change. I feel like it's. Hold on, I gotta look this up. Yeah, so it is CV, okay. That's what I thought. Not compatible with that, okay. Oh, interesting. Whatever. That's fine. I don't need that then. V shell, I think. So not like what? They're like a UV. I thought there was okay, like a do like a shell or something. Whatever. .inf source. Or not that, bin, activate. What? In fish, please use set virtual env. Oh man. Whatever, it doesn't matter. I'm pretty sure that's gonna work. Okay. All right. Let's see. That was OBS. I think this is fine, honestly. Bool equals unknown. Why is this? Oh, it's because oh, no, that's fine. Oh yeah, okay. Let's just do like send request, and then we'll do like that. Oops. Response, return, response. Okay. And then that's good. Okay. So send request, send request. Cool. I'll just call this simple for now. To do finding. All right. So we want to change this to simple. Man. Oh my god. Stuff's all messed up. Simple. There we go. And then this one we want to say send request. Like that. And then all the way at the bottom we want to say send request. With our yeah, that's fine. What's wrong? Why is this? Oh, this is the wrong way around. There we go. Alternative syntax for unions. Why, what? Oh, thought I already had that. Anyway. Okay, so let's see. Return. So we should be able to say dot quest data dot probably let's log it out first. Log.debug. Request data, or let's see. Rec equals. Did you do that? No. The other way. And then we want to say data equals rec dot request data. And we'll say data. And then we'll just put it. I forgot we could do f strings. Now we're so back. Hey, Python, my beloved, in that respect specifically. Oh yeah, never mind. You won't want to do that anyway. I forgot. Okay. Data, because I forgot you don't want to do that. Then we want to return data at. I don't know. I'll just return test first. Okay. So you get. Kind of tough. Commit, source OBS. Okay. Add. All right. Let's see. Time cards. Oh, whoops. Get pull. There we go. Jamble. Let's see. Oh, cover team was never weighted. Bruh. How could they do this to me? Hold on, I have to. What is this? Packages, Twitch, Cogs. Okay. Okay. Hold on, chat. Just a quick thing. Oh, interesting. There is no attribute request data. Interesting. Response. Oh, it's response data. Okay, response data. Current program scene. Okay, so. Oh my god, that's the wrong thing. Hold. Hey, Crow, how's it going, baby? Response data at current program. Just woke up? Oh, good morning. Carl, your sleep schedule sounds a little suspicious, brother. Response data. Current program scene name. Current program scene name. Okay. Name, and then name. Just want to do that, and then we can name. Oh. Oh, wait. Where is it? Gambling. And fix. Response data instead of. Hold on, Crow. We got this is production. We're doing some production changes. Oh. Hold on. Hold on, Crow. Hold on. There we go. I think, let's see, how many time cards did it load? Okay, excellent, loaded. Sorry, Crow, hold on. Okay. Why did that? Hold on. Okay. Hold, almost done. What you got planned for today, Crow? game. It's there we go. So don't worry, Crow. When I restart the bot now, it doesn't actually remove your time card anymore. Remember? That's been like that for a while. All right, I was just making a small change, Crow. It's okay. Just making a little bit of a small change. That's all. A little bit of a tweak. A little bit of a tweak. You understand? You understand? Why it's giving you? Oh, it did purge your buff though. Sorry. Buff gambling. That's. You might be upset about what just happened. I did just make a change that I've been meaning to make. It should be fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's gonna work. It's gonna work. Trust me. I may have broken gambling, but we'll see. Anyway, let's get back to Godot. Back to Godot. Oh man, I completely forgot about the ingot minecart. I really need to fix that, I guess. All right. Man, my stuff's got all kinds of problems now. It's weird. All right, let's see here. Oh yeah, so I worked on this a little bit more last night, chat. Basically, you can see that it does actually work now. So, it works nicely. Let's see. What was I doing though? So here, I guess I kind of want to make like, how do I want to do this? Separator. Sorry, separator. Horizontal separator. There we go. Does it look? Yeah, it does. What's this look like? Kind of helps, right? Why does it look like you guys have a slight like margin? Oh, it's because I did put it in a margin container. Right. But that's even with that. This, however, is not. And why is that actually? I actually don't know. Oh, it's because that guy's actually just that big. Right. So, oh, and that's because of the margin. Right. There we go. All right. Excellent. I think I should probably maybe not do margin on the other side either. I don't know. Kind of close to one another, but I can. That'd be where I change this here a little bit, you know. All right. Cool. So to have just no label like that, we actually want to set a label for this. So I think all this is good now. I don't think we actually need to we're gonna remove all this stuff. So, 'cause, 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 ' Because this is basically being handled now. Right? Wait. Oh, no, it's not. Okay. So how do I want to do this? So we can just remove that. Guy doesn't need to be there. We can just go ahead and make that access unique name. Find a better way to do this. Okay, so I guess all this stuff can change too. We don't need update size anymore. We can actually just do pass on this. Pass. Oops. And then for this binding, we're actually gonna need some information. Because, yeah. So let's see. So keyboard binding button doesn't need anything. Well, it needs to know what label to set it as. Yeah. Can we say signal or on ready var? Let's see. Button pressed equals animation player. Okay. Or no. Texture button dot pressed button. I don't know what the difference between button down is versus like what is pressed. Maybe when the signal is toggled or pressed. This is on button down if action mode is button up otherwise. Toggle mode toggled. Oh, wait, no, we don't care about. Oh no, we actually don't care about that either. Well. So a binding needs to have some kind of binding that it's attached to. This binding label is just there. Right, which is here. Let's see, rename this to be released. And then we'll put these in here. And then we will do that in here. That, and then handle binding pressed. Handle binding released. It's cleaner. I think that's honestly fine. And instead of this, though, we do need it to always have some kind of binding that it's listening for. So in that case, we need to... because this button is always going to be bound to something. So when we want to press... So when we press the button that's bound to it... Okay. Oh, yeah. We actually will want to... Yeah. We will want to get access to this guy in a minute. Okay. And then here, we don't even need to do anything with this anymore, right? Yeah, this is just set now. Yeah, this is just, right? I believe this will still work. Yeah. Yeah, that still just works, so. Okay, well, removing all that. Removing all this. All that. Okay, so binding category, binding ID. And then we're gonna need to load what that binding actually is still. So actually, hold up. There we go. We do want to do, or no, we just want to get the binding. I go to controls. How am I doing this here? Get binding animation. So on this instead, we'll probably instead of get binding animation, we probably just want to say get binding, get bindings, or just get binding. Yep, and then that not binding, no binding found. We don't need to return the animation. Return bindings. Right? Yeah. Which in this case is going to be a dictionary, but no, we want to do return binding. Don't worry about it, Panda. We had to reset the stuff earlier. Did you mine with your redacted buff? You never mined with your redacted buff. Oh my gosh, Panda, what are you doing? Oh, you did. Okay, never mind. Cool. Then we're good. So you got a bonus buff. That's good. That's fine. You gambled it. That makes sense. I gotcha. No binding found. Good. Ah, yes. We've come to the change. Crow never gambled earlier when I mentioned it. I know. I'm sorry, Panda. It's all for a good cause, though. Trust me. Eventually, there's gonna be a reason. Well, there are a couple reasons as to why I made this change, but one of the biggest reasons is that it's has to do with immersion. Okay, and I have plans, so bear with me. Bear with me. Oh, Panda, by the way, what is the food that you posted? Good, man. I meant to look it up. Sentry egg? Tell me, Crow, what is a sentry egg? Egg that is a century old. Well, I don't know if it's a century old. Eject, yeah. I couldn't remember what is it Kongi? Looks good though. It's in the name. God, man. Watch out, Crow. Maybe I'll come for mining next. We won't be able to mine anymore. How will you guys sustain yourselves in Tiberia? Alright, so does this work? Yeah, because we're not loading the animations anymore. Okay, well. I guess this just kind of works now. Instead of a resource, though, we're going to be returning a dictionary. We have the safe haven. Wait, what are we gonna return here? Wait, what is binding gonna become? I don't remember what binding becomes. Find out. So we go back to keyboard mouse controls, we go here. So it says binding forward. I mean, this should... So this is what needs to keep track of its current binding, right? No. This is, yeah, this one will, this is where it's, yeah, the actual thing is what's responsible. All right, load bindings. So we want to say load bindings. Func load bindings. Void. And then we're gonna need to go here, and then we have the control binding buttons. Good. So we have those and low bindings. So we want to say basically this. Figures control binding, get binding. Bar primary. Secondary. Oh my god, secondary. We're good. All right. All right, let's play this. Okay, so cannot assign value of type nil to a variable of type dictionary. What? Couldn't find the given section keyboard and none. No default was given. Right, because we shouldn't even support none anymore. Well, that's fine, I guess. We could support none. It's like, if it's none. If binding ID is equal to binding ID dot none, return just that. Okay, trying to return a value type int from function whose type is dictionary. That's what I was wondering. Because basically, right. That's the tough thing here. You know what? Let's just have this. Let's not have this logic there. And then instead we'll have, if no binding exists for it, then we need to be able to return. Null, right? I guess instead of get, maybe we could, yeah, let's just do get get bindings. We'll do get bindings, and so we can just get rid of the binding type thing, and yeah. Right? Yeah, I think that's fine, honestly. Yeah, you're basically never gonna want one or the, yeah. I had to restart the bot tune. There were reasons. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about it. Nothing suspicious. Nothing suspicious. Yeah, so we should just be able to do return bindings now. Return bindings. Did you get blessed again too? I'm so sorry. No. It's unfortunately not in the budget. I asked him out of 5. I did too, and I honestly asked him if we could make it happen for you. I swear on Rakish's paycheck, and unfortunately he said it's just not possible. Hopefully next time. Okay. Var bindings. And then configuration. Dot controls. Dot get bindings. Binding category, or get binding category. Binding ID. And then we want to, nothing Rakish. Primary bindings at primary. And then, yeah, this feels a little bit, I think we're finally distilling what we need. Aaron, thank you for the follow. Appreciate it. Welcome. Much appreciated. Oh yeah, I guess I can't infer it. This is gonna be an int. And I don't know. It's a little tricky. I don't actually know. Fine. Is the heart rate from a smartwatch? Yes. Yeah, it's from my Apple Watch. I have on my wrist. It's using it's an app called Pulsoid, I believe. Yes. I believe it's called Pulsoid. For the record, I'm standing. It's a hot topic. So people like to ask and say they don't see the chair, or I mean it's to be fair, it's not super obvious, but yeah. Anyway, welcome. Let's see. So when I get the bindings, I like the setup. Appreciate it. Thank you. Yeah, I was just joking around because people ask me. I also have a standing desk covering plants. Yeah, man. It's really nice to actually have some plant life and stuff. I actually have you guys can't see it, but I actually have 2 more plants in here now. That will be cool to show at some point, but it's not feasible with the camera angle here. But you have mic rates here. Oh yeah, I do like the small cases like that a lot too. Have you seen the thermal take ones? So that are the recent ones. I can't remember. They're the tower, but they're called like some kind of, it's some 100. I can't remember if it's like 100, 200, 300, whatever. But they're pretty cool because they're more like vertical and stuff. But I definitely like the smaller cases too that are like kind of sleek, compact, out of the way. They're very nice as well. It really goes well with like if you got plants and stuff. I can completely understand why you would do it. I guess we would want to say var binding equals, and then we would want to say input event. No, let's just make it an int. And then if binding to null, we want to push error missing. That should never happen, but if it does. What's the problem here? Keyboard none. Right, so we just... Do I support none? Because the whole thing is this is gonna complain, right? Cause where was the stack trace? What was the error? Yeah. And it's because that, so... Oh, no, I can just return if, so I guess we would want to say return bindings if bindings does not equal null else. Then we can do that. Hello, Gaxco, how's it going? Well, no, that doesn't make sense either, actually, because the whole problem is that, or no, it's saying the bindings. Oh, yeah. I understand. It's because I understand. I'm doing well, Gaxco. Thanks for asking. Computer science portfolio site just dropped? Sure. I guess so. I got him? No, I can. Very small. I like how I was too slow. I do like it when websites do the thing where they type and stuff like that. I work on your quantum implementation, eh? I do like it when they do that as well. What was it made with? HTML and CSS? You didn't use like any frameworks or anything? Quantum cat, look at the I don't know much web, more low level. That's fair. Nice. Interesting. I'd be interested to know how the quantum stuff works. That's definitely becoming more of a thing. Pretty cool. Yeah, of course, man. I like it. It's definitely sleek. Like it's super sleek. I did notice actually just now scrolling though. The scrolling on the like the gradient waves design. I think you call them waves and stuff. It does not smoothly transition. It looks like it's like re-rendering to wherever the page, like the top of the page is relative to how you've scrolled. At the very bottom too. It's smooth on your Mac. Interesting. It could be Firefox. Not sure. Haven't tested on Windows. I'm also using Firefox. So may also be it. Nice. That's cool, man. Yeah, it's definitely a nice, clean looking website. Super cool. That's kind of right up my alley because I do like the cleaner kind of aesthetics a lot more. So how am I gonna do this? Let's see. I think I'd rather just try and use the binding. If it doesn't work, then it's like, okay, well, there's your problem. So event is action press. So we could actually just listen to an event. Yeah, let's do that instead. Event. Then this will be a string. So we could do a string name. Event. Event. It's actually just released. I think that works. And then we want to say event. Input event. What do you mean? Oh, well, that's name. I guess we'll do. How do they call it? What do they call it? It's an action, but I guess let's call it action name. Yeah, action. We'll call it an action instead. Action. Okay. There we go. Pass. Instead of this, then we want to say like we'll do func update action. Actually, we don't even have to do that. We could just literally say yeah. Oh, cause this will just work, I believe. Yeah, this should actually just work. So in here though, I'll have to say, let's see, primary button dot action equals primary, and then secondary button secondary. Okay, this may work. Wait. Oh, right, because it's ooh. Can I input map? Oops. Map dot get. So I can do get actions. I don't know if there's a way to just action dot I guess we can do action has event. Oh, well, this is, how would you translate this though? Has event. How does that work? So we would do like this and then, right, this is an event. Right, okay, no, that actually might work. So action, yeah. Oh, yeah. Has event, and then we need to know what we want to call it. And in this case, we're gonna say, configuration, I guess, controls dot binding type dot find key binding, or binding ID, non-binding type. And then chat, I need to take a quick 3-minute break to let ads roll. Keep pre-rolls off for everyone. So I'll take a quick break so you guys don't miss anything. Be right back, 3 minutes. All right. I have returned. Let us continue. Buff Gamble. Whoa. Panda, you... What happened, man? Lost, like, everything. Are you okay? So... This is gonna be binding name? Or no, action name. Be action. No, I'm hurt. No. Why? Variable type int. What? Fine. I think it's just complaining because of that. Action has event. Call. What? Where is this? Expect at least 2, but received 1. What? Oh. That's not what I meant to do. Yeah, that is what I wanted to do. Variant type, so it's treated as a warning string. We'll just say string. Okay. This is the null. This is the none type again. So let's just get rid of that real quick. Well, we can do forward for this one. We'll do left for this one. Although this is gonna cause another problem now because of what? Find a sound value type nailed a variable type int. Oh, right. Okay, so that's what I was wondering. So if this is gonna be tough. So if bindings dot, I think you can do get, right? I think you could just do it like this. It's equal to null. Not equal null, sorry. It's not equal null. And we'll say, let's do this. And then we want to say here. I think this is gonna do what I want it to do, and I'm thinking about it, I actually can't even tell now. I don't know what exactly I was thinking here, but we're gonna try it because it may work, and then I'll have to figure out why it works. Type of an array, value type dictionary. That's what I thought. Oh no, yeah, we're gonna have to fix the rest of these guys. Like here, and then we're gonna want to say key A, S, D, E. I probably should be doing it different way, but we'll see. What's wrong? Expected after a closing dictionary. Oh. I think all these need to be fixed. Better? Expected closing call. What the? Is it that one? That was the one, I think. Because this one's to here. This one is to... Oh, no. This should be... Oh, that is correct. Ten ARP dust? Bro. Bro, don't say cooked, bro. Come on, man. There are reasons for that, okay? Oh, I didn't have a comma. That's all. Okay. There are reasons, man. Yeah, cut me some slack. You gotta cut me some slack, okay? What? Set of bindings. Hard nerfed. Oh man, it'll be fine. Like a D2 patch. No, no, no. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. Trust me. Trust me. You'll be okay. I believe in you. Like a D2 patch. That is a low. I cannot. That's a low blow, Crow. I can't believe you actually just said that. Binding category, binding ID 2. So this is gonna be left. Oh, it's because I need to regenerate the config. Ah, yeah, that works. Okay, so that works now. Funny, you can actually. Well, that's fine. You want? Yeah, we want to be able to click them. Okay, so. Okay. Yep. It's accurate? No. So that's the action that they're listening for, but the thing is what? So the action is going to be. Let's print it out whenever guy is on ready. Ready. Log.debug action. Then we'll just say action. Let's see what it is. Oh, no actions. It's probably the problem. Oh. Well, that's just because. Yeah, hold on. Test. All deferred. Bonk test. I think that's just because it wasn't. Yeah, forward left. Okay, so that's correct. So sorry, it was just because yeah. Oh, it's not too lower. Primary action too lower. That's I think the problem. Okay, this. Oh my god, that works. Okay, that's so cool. It works. All right. It does not work with A though, which is interesting. Why are you not working with A? Controls. Left key A. Huh? So left. It's not hard coded anywhere, right? No. Okay. So instead of that, we can just say we will do log.debug action control binding action received. I want to say action. Okay. So it knows forward, but it doesn't know to the left for some reason. Forward, left, Y. Movement. Oh, I knew this would bite me eventually, man. I guess. You know what? We probably do want to do that. This is add action events, and then yeah. Okay, that's fine. Do that. We'll do that. That. Oh my god, that works. Okay. And then we do right, or we do right, backward. Move that under here, and then this one we do it interact. All right. Okay, and then Hold on though. Oh, we need to update the label to the. Oh, that okay. So I also need to know. I also still need to know what Man, this is tough. So I need to get the label. Where am I doing this? OS. Let's find OS usage. By wizard, can I not? Oh, okay. We need to do OS dot. Surely this will be good. Okay. Well, it should just be. Oh, I actually didn't see that we have all these errors. The input map action doesn't exist. Wait, what? Oh. Wait, what? Why is it saying that? Wait, but it knows. Unhandled input. So the input action. Oh, it's empty. But we're setting action. How's that working? Oh, oh yeah. Okay. Wait. What? See log.debug. Set up bindings. Set up bindings for say action bindings. Okay, and let's do this. Okay. Yeah, I mean this all looks good. Wait, that doesn't make sense, does it? The binding at primary does not equal null. Then we need to find out. We need to listen for that. No, okay. This needs to be. No, so we don't care about the action. We care about the key that's being pressed, actually. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so we actually care about the key label. Bindings, and then that would be bindings at primary. Yeah. So that's like this. So I guess in this case I could just do var. No. Never mind. And then we want to do basically the same thing here, bindings up, but at secondary. Yeah, and then secondary. And then now, if we go back to control binding buttons, we, instead of event is just press, we want to say event key layer dot is match what? Input event. So we could actually just give it an input event. Maybe not. So we want to just say if event dot key label. Yeah, see, the problem is that there's no like universal thing, because I think it's always just key label. I don't know, I'll have to check. Is equal to, and instead of action, we want to call this key label. Yeah, key label. And then string, we'll just make it a string. I'll be a string instead. Is equal to key label. Actually, you know what? Let's do string name. Let's do string. It's not gonna matter. So if it's equal to that, copy and paste this, comment that. Okay. Oops. So this is gonna be elif key event is equal to, sorry, does not equal to. We also want to say if what do we want to say? If texture button dot pressed toggle mode. And so if the toggle mode is true, so it's pressed, then we want to we want to release it. That should be good. And then key label. Responding to key. Or to input event, and then we'll just, yeah, we'll put key label. We could actually do, you can do, let's see, key. You can do get key code string or find key code. Yeah, get key code string, and then we'll do label. Should be key with a string name. Oh no. Get key. Key is okay, find key code, right, find key code from string. Or no, we actually don't need to do that. We just want to say, yeah, never mind, okay, this actually works. I was thinking I needed to convert the key to what it was going to be, but it already makes sense. Let's see. Releasing button dude or put a bit pressed, do it like that. Okay. Yes. Okay, so key label with value type int. Right, and that's fine. So instead of bindings, we actually want to go to bindings. Var bindings. Call this raw bindings, and then dictionary. Oh no, we could actually just edit it. Never mind. Yeah, we could just say bindings at. No, never mind. Yeah. Because otherwise we won't be able to handle the null values. So for B in bindings, we want to say raw bindings. At B equals os dot get key code string from B. And then, all right, we can just do B. If B, or if bindings at B not equal null. Say is equal to null. Continue. Yeah, I think I will just. Yeah, I'll nest it because it's pretty clear. Okay. This is gonna be a string, I think. Key code string. Get. As a key. Find key code from string. We actually don't. Yeah, I think this is fine actually, because we need to translate what's going on. Map. Wait, no, it's already storing the. Never mind. I don't think we need to do this. Yeah, I don't think we need to do this. I think the problem lies in the fact that key label with a value of type int. So I think I forgot that the key labels are actually integers as well. They just are. You just do key. So I'll have to fix that. So, okay, so yeah, pressed. So it's okay. So if the oh, okay. If texture button dot pressed or toggled, if not, so if it's not toggled already, and then we want to say for the same thing here, if toggled. Why is that working like that? That shouldn't. Pressed. It's never releasing. And it's always being pressed. If you're if you right. We want to just say pressed maybe, or is button down. I don't know how you. I forgot toggle mode maybe. No, toggle. Yeah, toggle mode. So the thing about toggle mode, I remember this before, is that the toggle thing, like if it we're gonna need to set it ourselves, I think. So texture button dot toggle mode equals true. And then we want to say down here, we need to say false. False. I think, yeah. So that's kind of working. What is the problem now? Oh, key label. Oh. Okay. I think I still want to do it. Yeah, no, I think the way I think this is actually superior. I don't think this makes sense to do. Because I think it should be action based. I think this just makes sense to me. So string name and then say action detected. And we'll just say action. And then we don't need to set the toggle mode. I don't think, like, I'm pretty sure that's already fine. I think this is just the better way to do it. Instead of key label, we'll say bindings equal action. Action. And then binding secondary button. That was actually a bug anyway, because... Oh no. Secondary button dot action equals action. I think this is fine. Yeah. Okay. Oh, what happened? Why is this? Oh. Yep. Yeah, that works. So what's the problem though? Why is this? Put map action doesn't exist. I'm assuming because of like. Oh, right. If action is equal to return log.debug no action bound or control binding skipping handling action due to no action or control binding has no action. I think this is the problem actually, because all these it's because all the secondary guys are also listening for your input and stuff, which is very interesting. If I guess I could also set the type too, so like input event it could be a key or it could be a mouse. In this case we want to say that it's just a key, so we can remove all this. I don't think I need to debug that. Hey, yo, chat, look, it works, man. Let's make it bigger. Look at the controls. Look, see, you can press them on the menu. I need to redo the sprite, but yeah. You can press them on the menu. Isn't that cool? Let's redo this real quick. Oh man, that's not what I meant to press. Background. Okay. We need to give this a little bit more of a look like this, I think. That actually makes sense to me. Okay. I think the colors need to be redone though. Let's redo colors. Let's make these darker. Yeah. Let's just, whatever. Darker. Let's make it like darker that way though. And then here, here, and here. What happens if we just do, instead of trying to make it like a full gradient? Okay. This color, so this color to this color, and then we'll do like that. Sure. And then this, or here to here. Say that's that color. Let's make that pop. Okay. And then now we want to shift all this down by like at least one. And then we can put this here, maybe. Oh, so that, I think that maybe that's too like shift down. I think maybe that's the problem. Maybe instead of that, we just like could like make the corners brighter, maybe. Maybe this is part of the problem. I mean, I don't mind this. Ooh. It's kind of cool, actually. Oops. So it's already kind of like that. I don't know. I think that maybe that's too big, yeah. Maybe the problem is that this was not actually fully rounded like that. Okay. I still feel like I like this one more. Oops. This is easier to see though. Maybe I like need to do this. I don't know. I like the box though. Being there. This is kind of like a random template anyway. I guess this is unique to whatever I'm kind of doing. Because there's no frame of reference to like what's actually going up around it. I guess that's kind of like what this is doing. Like this is serving a little bit like of the shroud, I guess, of the button. Yeah, because it has to be communicated with basically like some form of light. Oh, that's... I think I still like this one more. Okay. I guess the whole kind of gist of it is that the key itself is going to be capturing a little bit of light on the edges. This. That, and then maybe a little bit on the, like that, maybe? What happens if we make it all the way out? Yeah, I mean, we kind of be like that, maybe? Let's see. I don't know, honestly, I like it more like without, I think. Yeah. I like more without. Okay. And then so that's up. Paste over that, and then can even add like a little bit of an outline, I guess, to the. What if we make it like that? Yeah, sure. That glossy button finish. It makes sense to maybe not have anything kind of like that. Anyway. These are like basically the same. I guess I could just do it like that. Do like that. You know what? Sure. I lied. Well, I can't tell which one I like more. I think, yeah. All right. Okay, cool. I like that. Maybe meet in the middle on this. Yeah, I kind of like it being sharp. Okay. And then we need to figure out how to make this go down. So the way I see it is that basically everything shifts down one. Because like you're moving the whole thing, right? Right. So this moves down. So I feel like that actually goes like that anyway. Okay. So maybe like this. Maybe the problem is that it's just like one. Hi. Monster Hunter quest rewards are wild, are they? Why? Let's see. Kill this giant monster that's been terrorizing. I will reward you with fancy cheese. I mean, yeah, dude, it sounds about right. What the heck, man? But Nicholas, fancy cheese, bro. Come on. So all this needs to move down. Why did that not capture? Let's see. I just killed a giant samurai. Give me 35 cheese and premium garlic. What do you do with it? Do you like just make the meal still, or what? Meals, yeah, man. Kind of sus. Okay. That just looks like I shifted it. It doesn't look like I pressed it. Ugh. Do this. What's happening? Why is my YouTube dying all of a sudden? We okay? Chat? Okay, no. I think we're okay. Firefox dying, but I think we're okay. Oh, okay, hold on. So, they're going crazy with the food animations this time. In this game, you do quests. Oh, as you do quests for different villages and increase your staying, they'll offer to throw like feasts for you, and they're just like super good meals. Nice. And so our meals just basically still like buffs, essentially. I can't really remember too much about why you want to yeah, okay. I need to see button press animation. Show me. Like how are like what is it? Oh, interesting. Okay, well yeah, no, that's kind of like what I already was thinking, but I think more so like how do I do this, man? Instead of making it that much brighter, I guess maybe just like oh, that's kind of it. That's kind of better already, actually, right? That does not look as good though. I guess why would we like cast the? Because I think that's like, yeah, no, we don't want like any movement up there essentially. I think it's just hard to like communicate with a 1 pixel difference, maybe. Honestly, I think I'm fine with that. Maybe the lighting could change a little bit here or something, I don't know. Because that would get brighter though. Right? I'd imagine so. Yeah, temporary stab buffs. That's what I thought. So, I mean, basically, like, I could do like that. Like that. And then for the down press, they get darker. And then you could even do like that. And then that gets brighter, yeah. Because I don't, maybe I just need to like leave this here too. Oh yeah, maybe that was the, maybe that's like the problem. Is this just... Because like you don't want to see anything on the top moving really. Here and here, here and here. But instead of maybe, it should still be darker though, I think, yeah. Oh no, that kind of holds it on, man. I feel like that kind of looks like it's being pressed more so now. I still feel like it's weird because you could probably achieve something similar to, like, with just shading. But like I don't know what it would look like if I expanded it as well. I don't know. Oh, because this is like, why is this like that? Oops. That looks like it's kind of connected, but it's not. I guess because of like the edge there. Maybe I just need to make this brighter still. Maybe not, I don't know. Is that darker? It is. It's like you're gonna be kind of seeing the outside. Which I guess that's the same darkness now. See, that's just not... maybe if I do like 1? That... Because like this should remain there basically, but it's just slightly darker. Welcome back, Ragish. So I was seeing if I can make it look better. I wanted to make it look better. That's a tangent though. I mean, it's not really a tangent. Yeah, I don't know. I'm practicing art, right? So that's the good thing. This already look a lot better, hopefully, so. Now we re-import the acid. Oh, yeah. Okay. There you go, Ragish. You ready? You ready, buddy? You watching? Are you ready? Yeah. So this is done. It's hot. It's pretty good, isn't it? It's even better, dude. It's even better than I had hoped. It's even better than I had hoped for. And you can actually click them too. But I'll have to figure that out because that for now that actually doesn't move the thing. One thing I actually need to remember though is let me change this. The action. I need to have a binding associated with it though. Binding's primary. We need to have a key label, so I still need to do that. Key label goes bindings at yeah. OS dot add tiny sound to it. Yeah, I can definitely do that. Let me write it down. Add audio to yeah, that'd be good. Be good. Hold on though. I need to figure this out. So, how do I communicate? There can only ever be 2 bindings for this action. Binding key. I need to do os.get key code string from bindings at primary. Oops. And then do that. Secondary button. Secondary. Yes. Okay, is this gonna work? I think that might actually, oh no. We need to, we actually need to change the script. Hold on. For the control binding button, it needs to have an action and an, var key label. Key label. Yep, key label, and then string as well. Yeah. Right? Or is key label? No, hold on. How did you get the key from code string? Print C. Yeah, okay, so that should be fine. That didn't work. Oh. Okay, so that's if action is returned. We still need an on ready here. Func ready. Action. Text. Oh, binding label. Dot text equals the label. Okay. Please? No! How could you do this to me? What happened? How did that happen? Huh? Oh. Set label. Oh, let's just do setter. Yeah, we need to do a setter for this. So set label, I think. Expected getter set for property. Set new label. Key label equals new label. And then the binding label dot text equals new label. Okay. What happened here? Expect a colon after. Okay. Does this work? It might crash because. Oh my god. Alright, hold on. Wait, we gotta take an ad break. Hold on. Alright, quick ad break and then we'll talk about that. Holy shit, I'll be right back. All right. I've returned. A little bit of a delay there. So we can, all right, so now comes the hard part. Cause hey, I know what you're thinking. You might be like, well, Tin, was it that the hard part? No. No. The hard part will be now basically, we'll probably want to pop up a little menu that will display in like the center of like this whole thing once you click it, because right now if you click it, it's not gonna, you know, like it presses the button, but it's not sorry, I was just watching the animation. It doesn't actually do anything, right? So we kind of if the whole purpose of it is to bind things, I mean, we kind of need that to happen, right? So we don't need this anymore because we have the setter. All right. I love how the Enya symbol is still being used. I feel like I need to keep that. I feel like I have to keep the Enya symbol now. It's just a part of the game, or it's a part of this. It's a part of the template. Enya is just there forever now. Anyway, I do think maybe we'll do like a little bit of a margin on the right and then a margin on the left. A little bit of one there, just to bring things in a little bit. Uh-oh. Wait, what happened? Enya's back. What the? Oh, I get it. That's funny. All right, we actually need to remove that. So, yeah, there we go. Sag, we're gonna have to remove it for now. Well, anyway, there you go. All right, cool. So that's that. I think it does look a little bit better with like a margin on the outside there. Although I think it was already just in the margin. Yeah. Which this actually gives us probably, maybe, what happens if we just bring that out again? Yeah, I think that's fine. We may actually want to, I'll put it back to 5 and 5, I think. Yeah, it's fine. Anyway. Okay. So, what am I thinking? What am I thinking? What was I actually thinking? What do I need to do next here? Oh, the left side. The action's not being assigned. Yeah, we should probably we should probably do that. So we want to say var action, or yeah, action equals well, I guess the whole thing is that it's kind of like, what happened here? Godot? Uh-oh. Godot did not like that change for some reason. Start the engine. So, where were we script wise? Right, so we added the I guess in here we could just go ahead and add it, right? Want to say binding or oh. Wait, no. No, this is the wrong place actually. Wait. No, this is the right place. Okay, so the localized menu label, we actually don't have it like in it. Probably do that. So we want to we could just say localized menu label dot text equals or locale label equals action. In this case, we will actually want to capitalize it. So dot title. Can you do that title? Cap. Pascal case. That I guess. There we go. Look at that. There we go. And we got our movement. Or we have all of our we have the actual words and stuff set up, which is nice. I do think it'd be good to make it where the background is a little different, so like this theme. Or we can actually clear this and we can even add like a or add a panel. Yeah, we could just literally add a panel to the background here. Like that. Kind of nice. Let's see. I mean, inside the margin though, because I don't think this needs to be, maybe we do like 5, but that's going to move the whole panel and I don't really want to do that. Yeah. As if we do reset all here. So it's kind of all, yeah, so we don't really want to do that. Margin left, we can do like 10. A little bit of an indentation of like how, you know, your like a visual indentation, I'm not sure. Okay, and then the panel though, I think we'll do a little bit of one on the right. Panel though, I want to be like completely. Probably no way. I don't think to actually do it. I guess I mean like I know I could add another margin container and then put this guy inside of that, and then do like full rect on this guy. And then the panel, it's a child panel. I didn't want that. And then I think that already works. Oh no. No. We actually, so we want none on this guy, and then that's where we want the left and right on this guy a little bit. Yeah. There we go. Just a little bit. Smidge, you know, a little bit of a border. Interesting that the panel on these are rounded, but the panel on the other is not. Not really sure what's up with that. Maybe because the other one's not a panel. Oh, because it's just considered. Wait, what? Oh, did I change the style? Theme override styles. Yeah, I did. If I clear that, and then I just add a. I could have just add a panel. That. Correct. But I need to make that behind it, so I guess I could do behind its parent like that, and then we Control D. We move that onto this guy. We go down to this guy, and I say clear. Uh-oh. I need to do full rect on this guy, right? There you go. Yes. There we go. It's kind of looks better, right? Kind of cool, actually. I'll probably like itemize each of these a little bit more, but for now I think that's fine. I think I actually want the full thing to be moved in though. So on here, and then we want to go to panel, or we want to go to this, and then we want to say theme overrides. We want to say left, like 5. But then on this guy, we say none because he's going to handle it. Yeah, like that, basically. A little bit of a visual thing. I think it's nice. Cool. I guess we could actually even bring... Maybe I should bring the right side in some. It could just be like 5. A little bit of like a thing, I'm not sure. I think I like it more if it's not. Let's see. All right, cool. And then yeah, I might have to change some of this more. Okay, cool. I think we can delete the other control bindings because we just don't need them anymore. They're just don't make sense. Rename. Control binding. Rename. Binding. Rename to control binding. Cool. All right. I think we're good, man. I like this. This is good. What's wrong with the debugger? Control map never used. That's fine. I love to see only 2 warnings though from the debugger. That's good. Let's go ahead and make it where you can actually whatever here. Damn. A lot of stuff, bro. What you up to? Okay. Trying to find a controller that is usable. Like you're gonna buy one, or you're looking for one that you have already? Oh, hold on. No, I need to reopen the control binding button. Forgot. Yeah, so when we actually want to, let's see, on func ready. We actually want to do connect signals, and then we want to say func connect signals. One that you have, gotcha. And I need to do Texture button dot pressed dot connect. Oh, okay. Let's do. We're gonna have to just do different ones for this. On button pressed. I guess we could actually just do toggled. Yeah, toggled. Then and this call is toggled on. Is that so? Put on. Let's see. So toggled on. And then block. You're right. On button toggled. And then we want to say if toggled on. We want to do handle. If toggled on. Kind of tough to like synchronize this because if someone presses the key at the same time they click it, that's the problem. It's like the edge case here. So let's just try it without and LF or yeah, we don't even do that else. Handle binding released. Okay, so interesting, I guess. Huh. What? Huh? Texture button toggled. Is it because like... Wait, what? Okay, so I think... Wait, what? How does this make any sense? Texture button. Is this not being called? Button toggled. Video windowed. Controls, okay. Oh yeah, it's not, wait, what? A minute when the button was just toggled between pressed and normal states. Only if toggle mode is active. The new state isn't toggled on argument. Toggle mode, what, do I have to like set this then? Toggle mode. Makes the button flip state between pressed and unpressed each time the area is clicked. Oh, that's right. I feel like I used this somewhere in it though. Oh, just in that, I guess. Yeah, apparently so. Okay. So then I don't need to worry about... Yeah. Okay, so it's just toggled. Right. So okay. Good to know. So instead of that, we still have to do on button pressed. And then on button pressed. And then we want to do... And then released. What is happening? Hello? There we go. Released. Button up. Button up. Button. Button down. That's funny. Oh. Released. Okay. Let's make this bigger now. Yeah, so I just need to check to see if it's already well, instead of the plus I could just literally do let's export a variable called export var label move offset, and then we'll make this a vector 2 dot 0. Well, let's default it to like vector connect. Should be able to create it like this, right? Vector let's do so 0 0 -1. And then we want to say label original position. And then we'll want to say binding. Do I need to do this like on ready here? I don't know if you could do that or not. Binding label dot position. I don't know if that'll work. Yeah, okay, that's what I thought, because it's so it does need to be like on ready here. Well, it doesn't have to be on ready, I guess. I guess it's fine to do it that way. Sure. Okay. And then okay. All right, so instead we just say oh, so binding label original position. Let's just say var, and we'll say vector 2 offset position, and then we'll say vector 2, and then on ready we'll set that up. So connect signals, and we'll say label original position equals texture button dot position label offset position equals texture we're gonna just use the label original position plus offset. Where's label offset position? And then we just say here position equals label offset position label original position, and then that should all be all that we have to do for that to make it where they both. What's the problem? Binding label? Oh, binding label. That's the problem. There we go. Why is that's not what it's supposed to do? I think it's upset maybe because we're changing the full position. Label original position plus offset position. Oh, plus the, no, that's not. label move offset. That's what it should be. Okay. I don't know why it's... You shitlord. You shitlord. You shitlord. What is the problem? Okay. Label original position, label offset position. Oh. I mean, we could probably do global, but I mean, little. Maybe that's what I need to do. No, because that's... You'd think that that would be like... Well, I don't... Binding label position. Oh, dude, it's because I'm doing plus equals for that, I think. Yeah. That kind of fixed part of it. So binding label position equals label offset position. Yeah. And that's its original position plus the move offset. Makes sense. And that's all that's happening here. So what is the problem? All right, so the label move offset. So label original offset position. Oh, this needs to be +1 anyway. I don't think that's gonna matter, but yeah, it should definitely be like +1 instead. Why did what's wrong? Why did my breakpoint not go? Okay, so so handle binding being pressed, and then so the label move offset. Yep. Label original position. Label offset position. I don't get why this is broken though. Because if I change this to vector 2 of 0, 1, doesn't this work? No, that messes it up too. Huh? Other one? Oh, because of the plus. Yeah, plus. Why? What is your problem? Put around the control center. Oh, offset. Oh. Isn't there like a binding label dot set position? Yeah, keep offsets. Maybe that's what I have to do. Label offset position, true. Can I do that? Please tell me. No. That should, right? I mean, I know how to make this work, but why doesn't that just work? I don't get it. Center. Like, is there a freaking... That makes no sense to me. Size? Well, whatever. Okay. I think if I do... So let's do label offset position, and then we'll go back to this. And then here, we'll say label, the original position equals that divided by binding label dot size divided by 2. or sorry, plus. So that's the original position. So you're still not going back to the right place here, eh? Is that minus? Oh, maybe it would be minus because it would be the other way. I don't see why. Label offset position, binding label position. So you're looking at this guy. It's like the set position does something different than adding it, which I don't understand. But that doesn't make sense. Dot set. Offset. What if we do pivot offset equals label? Oh. Because I don't know. Label. Set. Okay, so that doesn't do anything apparently. See, set this, so pivot around the control center, but that's what I want. Oh, the node's position, yeah, relative to its containing, it corresponds to the rectangle's top left corner. The property is not affected by pivot offset. Oh, okay. But how do you, container nodes update this property automatically? So like, I guess the problem is that essentially it's not. No, that wouldn't make sense. Maybe the problem is that like all of a sudden it changes it to be like a different kind of like it changes the anchor instead of like the anchor type to anchors, it chooses position. Like that debug. Type, and then we'll just say binding label dot type. Do we have like a anchor type? Get anchor. What? Layout. Directions. Horizontal alignment. Vertical. Then set this after we press the button here. So it was 1 originally as well, or what? Looks like it. Then these are 1s. So it's still the horizontal alignment. I guess it's just like I don't get so that's that. What happens if we do binding label dot position equals binding label dot size divided by 2, right? So I get the center of it divided by 2 plus plus the no, that's it, right? Just the binding label size. I guess out of the center container dot size, maybe? Well, but if we do that, well, whatever, let's try for container dot size. Interesting that that just like Thanos snaps that. What? Oh, that's wrong anyway. It should be divided by 2. Plus. Hello, Splint pizza rolls. Hello, pizza roll. You like pizza rolls? What am I working on? I am trying to get basically I'll full screen it so you can see better. Essentially for the controls here, if I press W, you can see that it messes up the label on top. I'm having to write some custom stuff because I wanted basically just for what I want to do here. There was no easy way that I found to basically shift to have a label on top of what's effectively a sprite, which in this case is still just a texture button. Move down and up, so like basically like you're actually clicking the button here. So I was just having some trouble getting it to work. I already have this working, but I already had it working. I'm just kind of confused why like if I do this, it should work. See? So that's messed up because what? Oh. Because 3 vector 2 of 1. Anyway, I had it working. Maybe not now. It was working though. Not sure why that's not now, but yeah. Cute, glad you like it, yeah. Yeah, it's a little small thing that I thought would be kind of cool. Not sure what's going on though, it's strange, man. That's... very strange. Yeah, so that makes sense, it's going up. Release, this is opposite order though, yeah. Rest, why, what is happening? Oh, this is pivot offset, whoops, position. This should be position. Yeah, this works, right? So like, get bigger. See, this works. But if I click it, I basically, the thing is that you can click these as well. But so if you hold W, for example, and you left click, it's gonna move the label twice because it increments it twice. So I was just trying to not do that. And that was not effective. Because apparently if I like try and Godot's treating adding a vector to it and setting a vector completely different, and I'm not really sure why. It's like set position, no. Oh, so if keep offsets is true, control anchors will be Update instead of offsets. Interesting. So it sets position. I don't know. It's strange, man. Are we working on games? Maybe. Not too sure. Anytime on the category? So you can actually set the beginning. Oh, interesting. Nah, Crow's a scrub, man. Dude only likes to complain about he just likes to complain about the systems that I create. Right, Crow? Crow just likes he likes for me to create it and then he can judge it. He could be like, I don't know, Tim, this doesn't seem balanced, man. Yeah, he's the beta tester. Let's see. Oh man, I don't know how to do this. Maybe the size is getting messed up. Maybe the size is getting messed up. Oops. What happened? Size. Let's see. Before size. Size. And then size. Oh, I'll just say after size. Let's see what happens. Oh, interesting. It's actually a... Oh, it's rounding it after? Or... Kind of weird. Okay. So instead of that, we'll do this, which is what I want. Seen it busted it. Panda, how could this happen to me, man? How could this happen? I think it's honestly, I think it's Grow's fault. Grow's fault, man. Like, what is... Make canvas roll, like... It... Parent... Roll. I wonder if I do... So label original position equals the current position plus the binding label dot get parent control. I know we can do divide by 2. Yeah, that works. Okay, so that's... Wow. Wait, is that working? I'm not actually ever setting it. Whoops. Man, thought I was working. No. Okay, hold on. Wait. Is it minus? No. What is this thing's problem? Parent area size. That's gonna be the center container. I don't know why that guy is so large, but apparently he is, man. I just don't get why this doesn't work. This is crazy to me. It's like it's so close. It's so close. Let's just look at the position. right? So we have the position here. Say before, or, and then position after. Okay. What? Hello? There we go. Okay, so position after is 1. Position before is that. Position after, debug. Position after. Like, that makes sense to me that it's actually going the top left of the little node that it's in. The problem is that it's... Oh, it's actually supposed to be over the texture button, isn't it? Plus texture button dot size divided by 2. Minus. What? What the? The size divided by 2 should yield the freaking center of this, though, right? Like, that's the center. Oh. Wait. No, delete. Hold on, wait. Texture button size. Well, no, that doesn't make sense either. Label original position. We are using this, right? Label original position. Label offset. So the label is the original plus... Because by changing this, we're changing everything anyway. Oh, this position should be completely messed up. Oh no, because it's not right. Because it's So can we not just easily do that? Maybe that's the problem. Maybe this is like... No. Changing the local coordinates should not have this effect. I just don't get it. Literally changing the local coordinates should not have this effect, man. Yeah, because see, even if you set it to 0, it gets upset. Right? Like if I do vector of 0, 1. What's wrong? Vector 2. Well, I don't... the control nodes, which are basically like the GUI nodes, right, for making the menu and everything, they're like dynamically sized and everything. Panda, like they move, they change size and everything like that dynamically to work with one another. So the problem is that like this guy, for some reason, doesn't like he's going to the top left of that node, which I kind of understand and I kind of don't, you know? So I don't know, man. It's very strange. I mean, I guess I don't know, it's weird. I mean, I guess that's kind of, in a way, what I want here. Because, see, this vector 8, this is like... Let's see, so... Size before, that's the position. Hold on. Size. So, where's the texture button size? Texture button dot size. Look for before real quick. So, before, 32, 32. Yeah, so it's like... That doesn't actually make sense. So position is over 8, back 8. But we want it to be down 8, I guess, right? So that's kind of it, but then I want 7. Six. 5. See, that's it. That's it, basically. But I don't get that. Plus label move offset. Label move or offset or position. That. And we do that. Label original position equals that, I guess. I mean, that's kind of straightforward. Back that up. Label original position, then no, we want label offset position. I mean, this should work, I guess, but yeah, like that works. I hate that that works, but very strange. I mean, that kind of works. That actually has a problem still, because if the button is down, sounds good. Display, have it going. Nice to meet you. So, I mean, yeah, that kind of works, I guess. My problem is that whenever, if I click and then it did that, and then I press W, and then I go back, and then that, yeah. I'm just gonna ban you display it because promoting without asking someone's kind of whack, bro. Not very respectful. Consider that next time. Not a polite thing to do. If you had asked, I would have considered it. Why does this work? Probably young. I don't know. I'd imagine that's all. So this is the action. Why do I have these up here? I don't know. I don't really like the way this is happening. Not really sure why it's happening this way, man. Ads are already running, chat. But I think I'm gonna wrap things up here for tonight, actually. I'm gonna work on this a little bit more offline. I'm not really sure what the problem is at the moment. This one's a little bit more difficult because I'm sure it's very straightforward. I just cannot wrap my head around why it's not working. Just doesn't make sense because it's like it's using, I mean, like I guess I kind of understand because it's basically using Yeah, I don't know. Anyway. All right, chat. Let's find someone to raid. All right, Skylar. Playing she's playing Monster Hunter Wilds. She's super nice. I hope you guys enjoy her stream. I will catch you. I'll probably be streaming tomorrow. We'll see what's up. Just depends. I gotta figure out the plan. Cause gonna be a busy week. And then we may also start playing some more Factorio and stuff soon. So yeah, I'll have to see. Anyway. Yeah. Anyway. All right. Y'all have a good night. And like I said, I'll probably see you tomorrow. But I'll definitely see you Tuesday, 6 p.m. Have a good night.